Hi folks, I want to talk to you about profile and composite pose, alright? So if you were in a class, I'd make somebody else do this, but since I'm the only one I have control over, I am now looking at you straight on. I am now in a profile view. You can see my nose, you can see the shape of my nose, the shape of my chin, my shoulders, you can only see one of them. This is foreshortening. You cannot see my whole arm. Now you can see my whole arm. This is foreshortening because it means it's shorter. You can't see the whole length of it. Now, composite pose is tough to do. I've got to keep my shoulders facing forward. My face has to be in profile. Ow, it hurts my neck. I've got to get my legs facing one direction and my arms facing one direction, and oh no, my shoulders have turned to 3/4. I got to get back like this. All right? Now, if I'm an Egyptian, I also got to get my eye over here on the side. I cannot do that. That is the difference between front-on, profile, and that really difficult to do composite pose. All right? Thanks.